Hello
Hello
friends,
friends,
today I
today I
am
am bringing
bringing
you the
you
idea
the
of
wooden beds
carved
for
kids beds,
kids room,
and
and today's
they are
specialty of the
beautifully
video is
made,
that I am bringing you
and this
carved
is a
beds,
special craft,
and
and only special
this
people
carving
or
is in
designers
wood,
can carve
and
the beds.
these beds are
So they
specially
are a
designed,
bit high in
and
prices,
their carvings are
but they
also
are
specially
unique
designed for kids.
and durable,
Some are carved with
and
flowers, some are carved with animals,
delicately and
and
intricately
some are designed with
designed,
according to
and we are
princess
providing
theme,
you a beautiful
or
variety,
some are
so you
designed
can
as
choose
like
for
Cinderella
your
theme,
kids room,
and they are
and
just beautiful.
there are multiple
And
shapes
some beds
and designs
are in
and
lighter shades and
sizes
tones, but some
and
beds have
colors
beautiful
too,
and vibrant
and
colors like
you will
green and
find them just
blue and
beautiful,
pink and purple,
and they are
like
just a
all the
fairyland,
beautiful
but the
and
wooden work on
vibrant
them is amazing, and
shades
it's a
that you can use
proof
to
that
decorate the room of your kids.
someone did
And they are just
hard work
intricately
on them,
and designed,
and
and
their finishing is just
and the variety is
beautiful
just amazing,
and
and you can choose
flawless,
any type
and
of
the designs
bed
made on
from this
them are
collection,
such
and
artistic and
they are
beautiful
just
designs
amazing beds,
that
and you can
make them different from
and
the
they are designed
other
according
types
to
of
different
beds,
themes, so you can
and
choose these beds
these
according to the
designs and this
themes of
carving is
the
the thing that
colors.
make their
And
price,
as they are high in quality,
and
they are carved and they are made of
it's
solid wood,
easy for you
so
to
their
find
prices are
different designs,
high,
types,
a bit
and
high than
colors of
the other
beds
beds,
in this
but
video,
they are worth the
and
prices, and they are durable for many years too. And we try to bring also the bunk beds, and the bunk beds in carved wood. So they are also more beautiful, and bunk beds are definitely a dream bed for the kids, and they want to have a bed with stairs up and down, and but they beds are not only bunk beds, they are specially carved with wood and for kids, and they are just amazing and beautiful. They are designed with leaves, flowers, and some animals too, and beautiful cushions are used to decorate them, and the beds with and the cushions too, they are amazing, and they are fabulous in quality, and the choice of art in using and making these beds, like clouds on beds, like fairy tale beds, like animals on beds, they are just amazing, like a bed with roof for kids, and you can see that there are some beds for little kids, for toddlers too, and they too are just amazing, and they will give a wonderful look to your home. So in this video we try to provide you a wonderful variety of beds, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will be thankful to you, and thank you.